Okay, guys, I've been sort of promising you that I would do this unboxing video. Mr. Thomas Yip, who is a great friend of ours on our coffee forum on Instagram, sent me this stuff. We negotiated, and I bought something from him, and we're going to see what it is. And first, I want to show those of you that are coffee roasters out there something that I'm using. Maybe you guys are using this too, but in case you're not, I roasted some beans yesterday. They seem to come out pretty well. So we'll see. They've been in there since yesterday. But I'm using these mason jars with what's called an easy grip lid, which allows the CO2 gas to go out of the jar. And when you start out with them, you can put this right on here, and you fill up the jar. And I don't know if you can see this or not. And you can pull the oxygen out, and then it leaves it without air in it. And then this valve lets out the CO2 as it goes along. So as it ages. So I thought that was really cool. And some other guys on another coffee roaster forum I'm on are using these, and I really like them a lot. You can use, let me get off camera here for just a second. And of course, while I'm on camera, my dog starts to bark. But you can use these bags. You can get them, I buy my beans from Sweet Maria's, and a lot of places have these bags. They're not very expensive, but you only get one or two or three, four uses out of them. Whereas these jars, you get numerous, and lids, you get numerous uses out of them. So now let's unbox what Mr. Thomas sent me. I got my firefighter's knife here. We're going to open this up. I figured I can start right in here somewhere. I have not, as you can see, I have not seen even what's here. So here we will we'll open it up. We'll see it together. Hopefully I'm not cutting up whatever he sent me, because I know some of it might be cuttable. So as you can see, here's the customs declaration form as it came from Singapore. I'll probably open this thing upside down, but we'll see. Lola, quiet. So anyway, I probably do have it upside down. Let me close this up so I don't cut myself a little later. So let's see what we got here. There's aha. Well, as most of you know, and some of you have already received, I have a coffee sock. So I am really excited about using this. I think I said once on the Instagram, I said, I'm not really interested in those, but I am really interested in them now. And Mr. Thomas sent these to me. So there's one, and there's two. There's a small one and a larger one. So he sent along the YouTube video that shows how to use these, and I've already looked at some of them, and I have to say it really looks exciting. So I'm really interested in looking at those. And let's see what else here. Got some packing, some more packing. Packed very well. And here is, I'm going to move this box out of the way. Excuse me while I'm off camera again for just a second. Okay, this is an unboxing of an unboxing. In here is I've really been looking forward to this. I actually have never seen it, so but this was made by Mr. Thomas Yip, who used his 3D printer. I do believe he had to get some other parts for this, but this, let me move some of this stuff out of the way, guys. Sorry, I know I'm a very bad host for being off camera so much. This is, I haven't taken this off yet. I have yet to, I don't know what you can see here. This is my Eureka grinder. And I'm going to remove this hopper here, and this will go on top, and it's a puffer. So we can make sure that we get all the grinds out of there. And as he said, this thing barely fits, this will go down inside a little bit, so it barely fits under my counter. And I've got this set up anyway with a kind of a pad underneath it, so I can move this grinder around. I even have my apartamento sort of like that too. So again, just got pads underneath them. Let's see what else is in the box. Thank you, Mr. Thomas. Thank you so much. I am really loving this. I'm going to do another video of this on there, and how much it can be like a dosing grinder. And another brush to clean in the grinder, and a little squirt bottle. Man, what a pack full of stuff, man! What a great deal. And this is for my scale, so I can weigh things up. And let's see. A WDT tool. We've been looking at these on YouTube and on Instagram lately, and this one really looks good. Looks fantastic. So let me get my so this is a double spouted, but this will work fantastic for clearing up the clumps. That's fantastic. Okay, man, what a great bunch of stuff. And I'll have you know that I did pay for this stuff, so for this anyway. And here's another dosing cup, which I'm really looking forward to using. I know that'll work right here under my my Eureka grinder. And here's a little something to help clean inside the grinder, to clean inside of here, to make sure we get all the grounds out. And this must be like a dosing cup. And here, let's see. Oh, that was WD2 tool. So you've seen everything, man. What a great bunch of stuff, Mr. Thomas. Thank you so much. And it looks like you did a really beautiful job on this, and it matches the black. And this is man, I'm very excited about receiving this. So thank you so much, Mr. Thomas, and thank you so much to our coffee group, which has put a bunch of us together so that we can share this stuff. And we have really talented people on here, like Mr. Thomas and Hoon and CY, and I'm sorry if I'm missing other people. There are a lot of very talented people, and I'm very happy to be associated with you. And you have taught me so much, and I'm learning every day about coffee, and I'm really loving this much. And especially to Dane, Mr. Lofty, and Andre, who are really helping me with the coffee roasting, really quite a bit, and really has been a fun adventure. So thanks a lot, guys, and there's my unboxing. I hope you have a great day.